So, let's see what's in the box. This was purchased on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for you. So here we come. It comes with instructions on how to set this up. Obviously, detailed instructions on how to set it up. In the box we have another box to open up. Now what's great about this is it includes, as you can see in the picture there, 3 glass windows. Now the liner is matched for the 3 glass windows as well, so you can't rearrange them, just keep that in mind. That is the same as the octagon shaped ones and the oval shaped ones. You can't change the placements, unfortunately, of where the windows are. That's a question I was wondering about, because the octagon one, I think it would look better if you could have 3 windows at the front, but you can't. So here we have a front panel with the window section. Another panel. They are all labelled with letters, so it helps you put it together. So that's the first box. Does seem they package it in multiple boxes. Here we have another box, a smaller one. So in this box, hopefully I can open it up for you so you can have a look, is the included waterfall, and it's extremely good value at £353, and it actually includes a waterfall. This separately will set you back about £30 to £40, so obviously you do get that included. Right, another box. Here, as you can see, we have 2 basket holders for your plants. So obviously you can put some plants in there and attach that to the sides. Here we have the liner. Now you need to be very careful with the liner. As you can see, it includes the 3 windows that will match the outside. So you look after your liner and it'll look after you. Here is included a bottom sheet to protect from sharp objects, protect the liner. For example, if you're putting it on a patio, you don't want anything sharp, basically creating leaks in the actual liner. So here we have another box. I'll just show you the box. Quite a big one. And it's more than likely to be the extremely useful pump, but it includes a UV bulb that protects and gets rid of algae. If you don't know what algae is, it's basically the green stuff in water. It's live but not desirable. And as you can see, there's an LED light there as well to light up your pond at night time. But You get lots of cables there. Let's just get the cables out if we can. Here we have the all-in-one pump, and it also comes with 3 types of filtration in there. As you can see, that's the pump. And I think if you were to buy this independently, it would probably set you back probably around 120 to 130 pounds. So that's the included pump. Don't know how you open it though. There you go, that opens up, and you've got the 3 sections of filtration there. And then you also have your biomatter porcelain what's it called? Here you have your porcelain ceramics, and this is where the bacteria lives, the good bacteria, to try and clean your pond and get all the gunk out. And this is the 4 filtration method system here. It's going to be quite useful for getting rid of waste in your fish. So that's the pump. Obviously it comes with lots of attachments as well as a waterfall, you get 3 fountains. One's like a globe type look, another is a sprinkler, and I presume there's a different one. So as well as the waterfall that's included, you also get 3 fountains included, nozzles that is, for a fountain effect. So if you're not happy with the waterfall, it doesn't sound quite right, and you want to have something a bit more soothing, you can choose to use the fountain instead. Okay, one more box here to finish off the unboxing. Now this will be the support structure for the actual pond liner itself, which will be powder coated aluminium frame basically. So if we can just show you some examples of it, this will give you your basic shape. As you can see, it's contoured, maybe something like this. If we can show that in the video, something like that, and like that, so it fits together like so. As you can see, it gives you the basic shape. I just wanted to show you what's included in this Blagdon pond. You know, it is good value for the actual price of all the bits and bobs you get included, including the actual pump, the ecosystem that maintains your fish. Anyway, I hope you found this video quite useful, and let's get started with the building of this.